Today I will talk about how can you this breaking news notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. So then you just click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to breaking news. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean breaking news notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.